An M-346 Master Advanced Trainer jet for the Hellenic Air Force, HAF, flies in the HAF livery from the runway at the Leonardo Factory in Venegono, Italy on April 3, 2023. The aircraft made its first test flight with primer in late January, but has now adopted a low-visibility livery with the HAF symbol. On the tail you can see the flag of Greece and the tail number 250, as seen in the photo circulating on Twitter. Greece is establishing an international school together with Israel at the Kalamata Air Base. This place became the base of the 120th Air Training Wing. Elbit Systems was selected to build the school and will supply and operate 10 M-346 jet trainers, in addition to maintaining HAF fleet of T-6 Texan IIs. Kalamata will become the Top Gun school in the Mediterranean region.